Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hello, hello, hello. What it do? What it do? What it do? We're back. Tuesday. Turbo Tuesdays. I'm cooked right now. I'm tired. I'm tired, chat. I'm getting old. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We back, we good, we back. This fucking market is still going up. Oh man. What's this thing doing? What are you doing? No, we're broken. Broken. It's broken. Got problems. Check out the Warbucks sign. Look at that thing. Ooh, buddy. Well. The NASDAQ overnight still fucking grinding higher. Great, right? Really fucking great. How awesome. How awesome is that? I don't know. Oh, Lord. I have a bad feeling about today. I have a bad feeling that we're going to be still just fucking around today. Why? Just because it's just still grinding higher. We're pretty much we're at the top of the range from yesterday. Right? So top of the range from yesterday. And yeah, not ideal. Just not ideal, to be honest. So daily candle, you can see we're pretty much at the high from yesterday. Overnight, barely much of a pullback. Still holding the shorts, yeah. Still holding. CPI report tomorrow. Maybe the market's waiting on the CPI report. Maybe. Maybe not. We'll see what happens here at open right now. 9:08 in the morning. Start trading stocks with Warbucks. WarbucksBTC.com. You can trade stocks. You can trade Bitcoin. You can trade everything you want, man. You just go to there to WarbucksBTC.com. You can get all the fun stuff. I'm excited to get back to the BDH tonight. I'm flying back to Florida tonight. I'll be there tomorrow morning. Me and D Money. So, do a little trading tomorrow. Got some stuff we're working on. Trying to get Denny set up on the live stream as well soon. So that Denny's Streaming at night. Ooh, new streamer, BDH. Sounds fun, right? Sounds fun. The band back together, me and D Money, baby. Yeah, so going into open, I don't know. It's just, we're right here at yesterday's high now. Do we push higher again just to kind of get one of these moves where we just go straight up just to pull back, possibly? We'll see. Either way, getting closer and closer to market hour, market open. It's currently 9:10. If you guys have not already hit that like button, that subscribe button, all the buttons down below, don't be afraid. It's free. We don't bite. We don't bite. We like to have a good time around here. We like to have a good time. So it's time. Either way, it's time to party. Put your hands in the air if you're excited for the market open. That's me, baby. I'm excited. I'm very excited right now. We're doing something. We're doing something big. We're going big. Big, big, big. Big, big, big. I'm excited because going back to Florida, the weather looks really good for fishing this weekend. Yeah, going fishing this weekend looks pretty good. I'm excited. I haven't been fishing in quite some time. It's been what? Like, how long have I been gone? And I think a little over, probably about a month and a half now. Costa Rica was mid-April. Holy shit. Yeah, that's crazy. Crazy. That's crazy. Either way, excited to be back, Florida, for a little bit. But then I'm coming right back to Cali again. So, picking up my son, it's Landon. Landon's going into 9th grade. His summer break. I remember when I was an 8th grader, getting out of middle school, going into high school. It's quite an interesting time as a boy, as a man. You're starting to get to that age where girls start to matter more, and you're about to get a driver license for the first time. It'll be fun. But it's crazy because he's going to go into 9th grade, then 10th grade, then 11th, 12th, and he'll be out of high school. He'll just be, I don't know what he'll be doing, but getting old, man. Kids are getting old. Sitting at home playing Xbox at 9th grade. He plays soccer, but he's not very big, so it's hard for it. It's like, you know, not all. It's not easy, but he's I'm excited to. He got his passport. He got his passport now, so we're gonna go to Mexico, go to Hawaii. Well, not that you need a passport for Hawaii, but we're gonna go to Costa Rica, probably. Go to Costa Rica, go to Hawaii, go to Mexico. Having a good old summer. It's a good old summer. Got to, do cool stuff with him so he can go back to school. Tell everybody how he went to Mexico. He went racing in Mexico. He went fishing in Hawaii. Went fishing in Costa Rica. Went in a helicopter. Went on a private jet. Living the dream. The kid's living the dream. Pump or dump at open. I don't know. We'll see. Am I done racing? No. The next race, we have a race coming up. It's in Reno to Vegas. So you go from Reno to Vegas and that's in August. Robert R says, you went on a PJ? I've been on a private. We're flying home tonight on a PJ. I'm big time now, baby. Big time PJ, man. Big time PJ. I like the PJs. Yeah, I have a feeling that we're gonna get some choppity chop today. Are you racing the Baja 400? Yes, sir. Baja 400 and the Baja 1000. D-Money will be live at 12 o'clock. Yes, 12 o'clock for D-Money. Do I surf? Oh, yeah, buddy. Big time surfer. Big time. I'm a big time. No, I'm just kidding. I surf, but yeah. I grew up surfing in Florida, lived in Hawaii. Definitely a proficient surfer. All right, so the goal today is very simple. It's don't get fucked up by the market. Very simple idea here. Don't get fucked by the market today. So we're gonna be patient. We're gonna wait for the right setups and try to make a little bit of money. Would you ever move back to Hawaii? Probably not. That was a fun time in my life, but you know, time to do more. Mr. Mati Mantanzino watching from the Philippines. Let's go. You've been hitting the slopes? Oh yeah. The fucking slopes. Favorite spot in Costa Rica? I mean, Capos. Capos going fishing in Costa Rica. That's kind of the spot. What car are you driving right now? Been driving my Raptor. And then I just got a Rolls Royce in Florida. Pretty funny. Pavonis and Golfito. Yeah. They're good too. All right, what do you guys think? Up or down today? Up or down today? I think a key level is going to be this 29,700 level. Got kind of a double top so far. Got that double top there for so far. Got to be aware of that. Looking to see the news. We have any news today. You can check out the best deals on Propfirms, onlypropfirms.com. Use that code PW, like right now, 50% off if you buy 2 accounts with Lucid. See all the top firms out there and all that fun stuff. You know, there's a lot of firms out there that just don't get a lot of love, but they're out there, they're doing it. Sometimes I think the smaller firms kind of can skate under the radar, not get as much drama. So we got existing home sales, 10 o'clock today. Existing home sales, and then tomorrow is the big numbers. You can check out the news every morning live, free on onlypropfirms.com. So don't be afraid. Head on over there to onlypropfirms.com in the morning, see what's going on. Get ahead of the news. Good to know when the news comes out. 8:30 tomorrow morning, we've got core CPI. And then June 11th, we've got initial jobless claims. So we got some data this week coming out. We got some news. We'll see if the market can keep the party going. And then looks like we've got FOMC June 17th. So that'll be the big question this month. Well, we got GDP coming out later this month as well. And then JOLTS and all that fun stuff. So the news at onlypropfirms.com. That's right. You can get the news, get the deals. Use the code PW for the best deals. That's right. All right. SpaceX IPO. Oh man, it'll be interesting. That's for sure. We're gonna see. All right, well, we got 10 minutes here till market opens. This is the previous day high for now, so I think what would be, if you're looking for a short, you kind of want to see push above the previous day high, then see if there's some exhaustion, and then see, pullback possibly. Any giveaways today? I don't know. Let's ask Denny. We got some giveaways today. Denny, bust out the giveaways today. Let's give away some accounts. I know we got some free accounts to give away. Damn, Denny, why don't you just spam the chat? Denny's spamming the chat over there. Spamming the chat. God damn, Denny. God damn, Denny. So yeah, I think at open, we could get like a test of this level and then looking for pullback. If we sell off at open, I'd be worried that we could bounce and then go back up. So if you're I would kind of look for this kind of move at open. Now, the problem is sometimes it just keeps going. So maybe 30,000 is going to be the key level. We'll find out. We're 29,700 right now. It's time to party. If you have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, go ahead and blow it up. It's free. We got giveaways. Why are you and D-Money punching the camera on the link? Because we punched the camera, man. Gotta punch the camera, man. Fucking Apple sold off. Oh my Lord, look at Apple dumping. Apple had a big sell-off when it unveiled the new Siri AI Classic. Just what we need, right? Fucking Siri AI bullshit. God, what a joke. What a freaking joke, man. This market's so gassed. So gassed. All right, we got 5 minutes here, people. 5 minutes till market open. Like I said, kind of thinking, you know, this area here is going to be key. The previous day high. If we bust through that, we'll see if we get a reversal out of that area. Not to say that I'll get short right away, but kind of looking for some exhaustion to the upside there. We'll see. It's time to party either way. If you haven't hit that like button, you know what to do. Ooh, buddy. Ooh, buddy, 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 buddy. Buddy. I got my buddy. He's my buddy. Where's my D-Money? D-Money. I haven't seen D-Money in a hot minute. D-Money. Don't get him started on AI. Yeah, let's not get started on that fucking AI. Oh, man. I'm losing my mind, chat. I'm losing my mind. This AI shit. The AI is in my brain. It's in my brain. It's in my brain. The AI. Get it out of there. Get it out of my brain. Get it out of my brain, chat. Oh, good old Michael Burry. Michael Burry just said whatever else is missing. Adjusted for inflation, the SpaceX, Anthropic, OpenAI IPOs will raise as much or more than 300 internet and TMT IPOs did in 2000. The big short guy. Everyone, the SPX is tracking the .com pattern perfectly week by week. And we'll see. Is the AI bubble the same as the .com bubble? We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. But we'll see. That's the problem with bubbles. You can't see them until they pop. Denny's Pancakes has the giveaways. Damn, I never put that together. Denny is like Denny's. Denny's. Well, Denny's going to be bringing some of those big stacks. What do you call it? The triple stackers? Triple stack pancakes to the BDH soon. Denny's he's got the, what do you call that? What's the Grand Slam? Oh my, we got the fucking nickname for Denny now. Grand Slam Grand Slam Graham. Oh, hold on a second. It's got to roll off your tongue. Grand Slam Denny. Grand Slam Denny. That's his new trading name. Grand Slam Denny. All right. Let's go, baby. All right, we're getting ready for market open here. We got 2 minutes. Right now, we're kind of just riding this trend higher. We got this resistance there from yesterday. Will we go higher once again today? Anything's possible. You got 2 days left for the 90% off deal with Apex Trader as well. So don't be afraid. Hit that like button. Subscribe now. Let's party. Also, flash sale, 40% off all Tradeify accounts. You can buy 5 accounts, the bundle right now. Bang, bang, bang. Use that code PW. It's time to party. I'm just trying to make a little bit of money, you know what I mean? Just trying to make a little bit of money. We got news at 10 o'clock as well. News at 10 o'clock. Grand Slam Denny is perfect. I agree. It's a great name. Grand Slam Denny. Grand Slam Denny. All right, here we go. Market is about to open here. Let's see what happens. Like we said, kind of looking to see if we're going to get this pop to the upside and then a sell-off from there. Anything's possible. We're just kind of trying to make a little bit of money here. 30 seconds here. 30 seconds. If you have not already hit that like button, blow it up. It's free to like, free to subscribe. Let's go. 30 seconds. Count it down with me. If you're not excited, I don't know what you're doing. Doing something wrong, baby. We got to get excited. It's Turbo Tuesdays. Turbo Tuesday. We got D-Money coming up at 12 o'clock as well. D-Money show later on today. I'm not going all day again. I ain't going all day again. I can't do it. My brain is going to be fried. Good morning, good morning. Blessed day to all. Here we go. 5432, 5432, 543, 54322. The bill is open. Here we go. Market is open. It's time to play my favorite game. Is it going up? Is it going down? All right, so we got stuck there at yesterday's high. Right? Stuck at yesterday's high. Big rejection there. Not really big, but rejected so far. Bouncing there off the 700s. We didn't really pop the highs too much, but I think if we get below this 700 level, there's some good room to the downside right now. Nvidia pumping to the 211s, so Nvidia with some strength. Apple down hard. Still holding there, 700s for now. Someone said, leave the channel to D-Money. Sir, I'm gonna respectfully say, no thank you. I might be old, but I ain't out of this game yet, sir. I got time still. I got time. This is that annoying situation where like you could get short right here and try to get this drop, but then maybe it holds 700s. Let's see. I'm short here. See if we can break through 700s. Just go for like a quickie here. Boom, baby. Boom, baby. It might pull back more, but after yesterday's whole debacle, I got greedy yesterday, so I'm going for 20 points today. 20 points. 20 points, okay? 20 points. You and D-Money are different traders that both offer a great perspective. We're not even different traders. We're like the same traders. I don't know, people are so like funny about that. Guess what? Tomorrow morning, D-Money and we're gonna trade together. 3,000 viewers, only 500 likes. Yeah, what the fuck is going on over there? We gotta get them likes up. We gotta have a little ping pong match again. Bust the ping pong table out. It's been a minute. I need to whoop that D-Money ass. I need to whoop that D-Money ass. That D-Money ass. All right, 29,700. First trade of the day. Working. So let's see what happens here next. We broke the 700 level, selling to the downside here, but still have not really shown too much weakness yet. Not too much just yet. We got denied at the previous day high. Denied for now. Someone says, why does your chart look so slow? I mean, that's the 1 minute chart. Unless you're looking at the 5 second chart. That's what it looks like. It shouldn't really look any different. All right, making a push down here again, maybe for new lows. We lose this 660 area, should try to pull back some more. We got the VWAP down there at like 570, 580s. Could be a little aggressive and try a short right here to break through, but I don't like that wick there on that previous 1 minute candle. I don't like that wick on that previous 1 minute candle. You know, Nvidia is pulling back pretty hard now. 209. There's the jump. The jump. Ugh, there she goes. 640, 650s now. Gotta wait for like another good bear flag. Need a good bear flag here. Need to wait for a good bear flag here, if you know what I mean. You got 2 days left on the Apex deal. 90% off, 5 packs available now. 29,660 here. Looking for another short setup. Just want to be careful that we don't get just our faces ripped off down here. 5-minute candle just down, down, down. You got the ES pulling back. You've got Apple pulling back hard. So we got Apple down hard, 297 on Apple. You've got Nvidia pulling back as well, 209.50. But just still not really any like major conviction here. Still, this is kind of looking a little choppy. Looking a little choppy right now. Look at that. See, right back up. That's why I didn't want to get short down there. Because of this exact move right here. Right back up 680s. ES pushing back up. Yep, I see it. Got Nvidia pushing back up here for now. Apple's still selling though. Saying goes, market never bottoms out on Friday. That's what they say. That's what they say. But right now, look at that push. Oh my Lord, good thing we did not get short down there. That's a pretty big push here. ES is making new highs right now. It's being back above 700 here. I'm interested in maybe getting long, but it's a big bullish candle back up. Trying a quick long here. See if we're gonna get like a pop back up into this level maybe, but it could just be a big old chop. Big old choppy chop. I think we're good for 20 points here probably. Oh man, almost got me. That was a 10-pointer. That was a 10-pointer. ES is still pushing. NASDAQ's trying to push as well. She should tag me. Should tag me here. Let's see right here. If I can get tagged. Beautiful. All right, baby, we're back in it now. Hey, don't count this old dog out just yet. 2 W's there. We're making up for yesterday. I got a lot to make up for yesterday, but we're coming back here. Don't count me out just yet. Daddy's home. Now we got to see what happens from here now. Big pushback up there on the 5-minute candle. The chop, like we said, continuous chop today probably. The blue line is an EMA. That's the, I think, what is that, 9 EMA, right? Yeah. Fucking A, it keeps on resetting. Why does that keep happening? It did it again. I use normally an EMA on here. And I do a 9 EMA with the 1-minute chart. All right, well, still looking choppy here. We're stuck below the previous day high, that 29,700 level. PW, have you got any new Pokemon cards? Not lately. I haven't been doing much with the Pokemon. I bought some packs last night actually, but overall I haven't been really busy racing. But we're back, baby. We're back. So right now you can see the NASDAQ here, 5-minute chart, not looking too hot. Just like big inside 5-minute candle from the previous 5-minute candle. So we're inside the 5-minute range right now, opening range. We have not broken out either side of that 5-minute candle at open. So good time to be patient here. It did reject, but we'll have to see if that's going to be the pullback. We have 10 o'clock news here, home sales, right? 10 o'clock news coming out. So anything's possible. If you guys have not already hit that like button, do it. I'm trying to get like D-Money up here. I want to get that 10,000 likes. I want 5,000, 6,000 likes, baby. We're trying to make a little bit of money. That's two trades back to back here. Two trades. Making a little bit of money. Just making a little bit of money right now, baby. $800 times 5 accounts. Not bad. Getting it going. All right, so I think this wants to pull back more. The problem is I just don't like that we're in this range right now. But I think it's going to dump. I think she's going to go. The question is, how low does she go? If you get short right here, does it squeeze right back up just like that? So the chop is very real. Because if you got short right here, you'd have to like basically use your stop at like 730. Right? 730 would have to like be your stop at. And like getting short right here is probably not the best risk to reward. But I think she wants to go down. We got the 15-minute orb coming up. That's right. Patience. I like it. Alexis Orendo. A little patience in the chat. If I had, like, I would maybe go short, like, on some micros right here. But we'll see. Music's a bit loud. Okay. Sorry about you. Never happy around here. Existing home sales was always yellow folder. I don't know. Got $300. Coach Feb. Arnold. Let's go. Making money. Yesterday's high was touched twice in 6 minutes with rejection of both times. What does that mean? It means chopping. And you can see why we did not get short down there once again. Oh God, the chop is painful sometimes. Why does it always got to do? Why, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like the NASDAQ just always chops during the day. It just loves to chop. We put in a higher low. We had a lower high. So now the question is, look at that. Squeeze back up here now. ES is making new highs. NASDAQ should make new highs, right? 720s. Maybe grab a long here for a pop through these highs now. A little overextended there though, but it should try to pop through like 750s here now. Let's go. Tanner Simmons, $5,800 for a lucid payout. Ooh, buddy. Making that money. Yep, squeezing higher. This market's so cooked. This is really the first time that we've broken out of the 5-minute range, so the push is real. Look at this thing. All right, 5-minute range is now breaking. Do we take a long here? I'm looking to see if we get a pullback like into this area, it would be nice, but right now still pushing. We got giveaways going down as well in the chat. Don't be afraid to hit that giveaway, chat. We got giveaways. Who wants to win? Thank you very much. Yeah, it was a good 5-minute candle breaking out there. So now the question is, can we still push higher from here? Nice breakout. Just waiting for a pullback here. Need a little pullback, little bull flag set up right now. Still just grinding higher. We're breaking the 15-minute range here as well. So we got the breakout of the orb. Got the breakout of the orb right now. 780 pushing. Wow. No pullbacks. Come on. This is the 1-minute chart we're looking at right now. 1-minute chart here. I'd say if we go straight up here, like to the 840 level, maybe that's a short setup, you know? Maybe, but you know how that goes. It's hard to pick the top here. God damn it. There's the pump. If we go straight up here, I'm going to go try short. Still going. Give it a little bit more. I'm going to hammer it right here. See if we can get a pullback back below 800. I said 840 level because there's a pivot point right there, 850 area. So maybe more first. Still popping. Well, that was a bad idea. Bad idea trying to short a fucking boner candle. Giving it a second here. See if we can get this pullback back to 800 lead. 800 area. Wow. Just grinding. Grinding now. Fuck. If I would have gotten long, it would have crashed, but that sucks. We're cooked. Absolutely cooked here. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Trying to be a genius and fight the trend. Gotta love it. Yeah, that was dumb. Gonna get out there just to get out green. Terrible trade that was. Yeah, now it's gonna pull back for sure. G-Money will never do that. I mean, okay. Still made money, so, I mean, I don't know. Look, there's the pullback. I was just a little too aggressive, a little early on that. So that's all. A little too aggressive. I think we could have, if we would have waited for the 840 pop, that would have been the beautiful short. Not using TradingView? Yeah, I'm looking at TradingView right now. So you can see we popped up there right below that pivot point, 850 area. God damn it. Look how nice that would have played out. Whatever. Too early to the short sometimes. Great play, bad entry. Wow, rich girl. Just why don't you rub the salt in the wound, okay? Just rub the salt in the wound. Rub the salt in the wound. Oh, fuck. I did not mean to get short there. That was a misclick. That was a misclick. My finger just clicked by accident. But I'll just get out for a quick little, I think we made like 2 points there. I did not mean to do that. I think it's probably, oh, that might have played out nicely. If we lose this 800 level again, could kind of dump all the way back down. This whole like pump right here just was too much. Big Tick Energy got the short from the 840s. That was the play, definitely. I was just kind of pussied out there. God, sometimes, why'd I gotta be such a pussy? It's because everyone's watching me. If I was trading alone and no one was watching me, I would have held that short. For sure. 100% I would have held it. Gino, PW, what's up? My favorite person. Yes, Gino. I like you too, Gino. You're my favorite, Gino. What's up, Gino? Gino. Wow, chat. Oh my God. That's 100 points from the 840s. Anybody still short? That sucks. God damn it, I'm a pussy. Why did I get out? Why did I get out of that trade? Silly. That was silly. So silly. All right, we're back into the 15-minute range here. Looking weak. The ES and everything kind of pulling back. NVIDIA got stuck again at the 210, 211 area. So, the misclick would have gotten me 80 points. Yeah, fuck. This thing's bleeding out now. She's a bleeder. Back to the middle of the 15-minute range. Got to see what happens down here now. If we keep going lower, build out a bear flag. Maybe we can, if we retest 760 area. Retest the 760 area would be great, but got to see what happens here. Losing 700, I think we go 640s or more. Just got to be patient here. Get the right entry again. But a lot of pressure, selling pressure here, 5-minute candles. I'm going to try a quick short here through 700. See if that momentum continues to the downside here. That was 10 points. There we go. All right, all right, all right. Okay, okay. We're doing it, baby. Someone said go long. This shit will bounce. I knew that. I know what that meant. Go short. 707 down there to the 92s. That was 20 points if you took that trade. So basically, we shorted, we longed, we shorted, we shorted, we shorted. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades in a row. Winners now. Winner, winner, chicken dinners. We got home sales coming out here in 2 minutes. 2 minutes till the home sales comes out. We'll see if that's going to be enough to drop this market. Drop it like it's hot. 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 What's funny is if we go back to the beginning of the stream, we talked about this exact move happening, right? Kind of popping above the previous day highs and then reversing from there. So that you know, that was we had the right idea before market opened. So now we got to see if this is actually going to start to pull back, right? We got the VWAP there. We've got news coming out here soon. We'll see if we can actually get some continuation to the downside here. Ooh, ow. Fucking my toad is cramped up. Raphael says he's up $1,700. Should he keep trading? You never know, man. You never, you know, that's a good question. Bobby Rose made $1,000. Let's go. What time is the news? The news comes out here in 30 seconds. Lock it up, they said. The chat said lock it up. If you're up, lock it up. What are your thoughts on SpaceX IPO? I think it's going to be a fucking rocket. A rocket dump. It's going to be a rocket explosion. Boom. It might go up, but it's hard to say that it's going to keep going higher, especially because of just how inflated it is. All right, here we go. News is coming out. Will we get a dump from here? Home sales still going. Man, that 840 area right now, that's 200 points. If you would have shorted these highs like we did earlier, I'm embarrassed. How did I not hold that short? We were spot on with that short, man. Just a little too early to it. Spot on. Spot fucking on right there. All right, bouncing off the VWAP for now. All right, we're breaking. See, we got to be careful here because we're at the bottom of the 15-minute range. We're right there at the VWAP as well. So basically what I want to see now is I want to see good pressure to get through here. If we're going to keep selling, we should be able to do one of these, right? Where we break through all this, we push back up, we retest, and then we get to move lower. So you kind of want to see that because what we don't want to see is, you know, a bounce right back up here if you're shorting. So we like it. We like it. We want it. We want more of it. We tried so hard. So all right, right off the VWAP for now, right back up 29,698. Big dump and then a bounce off these lows so far. Nvidia selling off. Nvidia filling the gap from yesterday, 208 already. So Nvidia has kind of been stuck around that 208 to 210 level all day yesterday and today. Looks like Apple is still selling off as well. Apple down here from the 300s to the 295s now. So Apple down. Nvidia trying to move down, but magically the NQ is pushing back up here, 29,700. So what a time. Trading with Diego, name change. Nobody gives me crap anymore. What was your name before? What was your name before, sir? Sir, what was your name before? It's Nick. Nick changed his name and then changed his profile picture. Got rid of the kitty cats. The cat guy. Let's go. I was looking at this for maybe getting short here. If we break this candle low at the 682s, I'm going short. It looks like it wants to pull back here some more. We got to see. That's if we break this previous candle low here now. We have not broken it yet, so no short yet. Just waiting. The gay version of Nick was cooler. Man, Nick, bring back the kitty cats. Bring back the kitty cats. All right, we're trying to short here. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about right there. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Easy peasy mac and cheesy, buddy boys. Easy cheesy mac and buttery. So from the 87s right down there to the 62s, quick little 20-pointer bang bang banger. Easy peasy mac and cheesy. No drawdown, no problem, instantly filled. I showed you guys the entry. I showed you the exit. Hey, what can I say? You know, sometimes I'm good, sometimes I'm bad. You know, hey. You gotta love it. And again, the reason that I waited for this candle to basically break that previous candle low is because that's telling me, like, once we break that, there's a good chance that we're gonna get that next candle to continue to the downside there. So that's why, very simple, like I said, wait for that that setup there, and then bang, we get it. So it's still going lower. I don't think it's done just yet. I'm trying to stick to my 20 points today. Trying to stick to those 20 points because we're looking green right now. We're up almost $10,000 in my Lucid funded accounts. That's right, 10,000, 1,800 on the day per 5 accounts. I got 5 accounts with Lucid right now. They're 50% off the not growth. This is the Pro account. The Pro account you can get funded in just 1 day. And there's the pushback up as well. So right off the VWAP area, still holding there. Still holding there. The fucking chop, man. Are you an energy drink consumer? Yes. I keep energy drink companies in business, okay? I keep the energy drink companies in business. Why is there more choppy days? Just that's what happens, man. All-time high trading. Bullshit. When the whole market's pumped up by 5 companies. It's bullshit. It's nice to be on the right side of the chop. You're right about that. I think this is going to go lower from here, to be honest. But I am also just trying to stay out of this chop here. We break this 650 level, we should go lower. I'm trying to short here. See if we can dump through that low now. A little bit of trouble there. Still short, we're good. Ugh. I fucking knew that was going to happen. Oh, God. Just holding up right now. The NVIDIA is dumping here. This is going to dump. Let's get through this 657 area. NVIDIA is down hard, 207 now. This is gonna go. How many attempts can we get? All right, I'll just take it off right there because that's a $10,000 day. And then that way I can just close out. I'm gonna lock these accounts out. It should keep rolling here. But I'm going to lock out these accounts for the day. These are the Lucid accounts. All right, so those accounts are locked down for the day. We like that. That's $10,000 in the Lucid Fund accounts. Still going lower, by the way. There she goes. There's the sell. There's the sell. We love to see it. We love to see it. Let's see what we got going on over here now. Change it up. Change it up. So there's the nice little push down, 605. Nvidia is dumping down, so that was kind of why I liked that short there. Oof, look at this thing. Go, 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 baby Jesus. Oh, man. That's almost 100 points now from that last short setup. Look at it go. Come on. Shoo. Nice work, guys. Nice work if you're still short. Man, oh man. I mean, I don't want to keep tooting my own horn, but that short from the 840 level, 850 level right now, that's 300 points, by the way. That's 300 points, by the way. Just saying. I'm just saying. Start this fucking dump again. Let's fuck this market right in the butt. Hey, if you're making money today, let me know in the chat. We love to see people making money here. Love to see people making money. Who's making money live on YouTube with me? That's 6 trades now. 6 trades. 6 winning trades back to back to back. We picked the top. We picked the bottom. We're doing it live. Doing it live. Look at this. All these motherfuckers making money. Still making money. Money, money. Money, money, money. Thank you guys for tuning in, watching the show today. We're having fun. We're making money. We're doing it live. We got giveaways coming up here as well. Don't be afraid. We got giveaways. Who wants to win? Free account today. Man, it's good to be good sometimes. Good to be good. I feel really good. I feel like that was some good stuff, you know, some good sauce today so far. So gotta keep up that momentum, baby. Keep up the momentum here. Good sauce, good times. Still going downtown, 548 right now. I saw Nvidia selling, and I told everybody, I said, hey, this thing is going down. Still going lower. God damn. All right, all right, all right. Patience, patience. Patience. Wow. Nice work, everybody. This thing is absolutely getting murdered right now. Look at this setup here. Come on, boys. Let's make some fucking money. Sellers are still pretty aggressive here. Still pretty aggressive. I'm trying to quick short here. See if we just keep on kind of waterfalling to the downside a little bit more. There we go. Another 20 points. Hey, who else can short at the bottom and still make 20 points? Who else? Only me. Only me. Option Coach John. You said your prediction hit. Earlier you said the market was going to go up. When it was going up. When I was going short, you said that it was going to go to 860, 870. So now your prediction is 518. How many predictions are you fucking making? God. You said 800. You didn't say 800. Why are you lying? You said 860. Looks up. Where's little Marie at? Little Marie, come back, little Marie. It is funny though. This played out exactly like we talked about pre-market, right? The idea of popping above the previous day high and then you know, dumping down here. So that was exactly kind of what we talked about pre-market, right? That idea. You've got Apple just sell. You got Nvidia selling. You've got the ES selling. So something's going on. We filled the gap there now. 460s filled the gap from yesterday's close. PW, you know Denny is keeping those accounts for himself. Hold on a second. You think you're accusing Denny, the Grand Slam Denny? You're accusing him of keeping accounts for himself? That's a serious accusation. That's a serious accusation. Okay? You trying to get Denny fired? The chat is trying to get Denny fired now. Man, the chat is ruthless. Denny's got kids. He's got a wife to support. And the chat's trying to get him fucking fired. Man, that short from the 506s would have been paying right now. Still going lower. That's 100 points now from the 500s. We got a bleeder on our hands. Let me see what my fucking SQQ looks like. Probably looks bad. Probably looks bad. NASDAQ turning red here now. Looks pretty good, actually. SQQ back in the green here today. Need to pump. Need to dump. I'm short on the QQQ. I showed you guys yesterday. My current position, 6,700 shares of SQQ. We're sitting about 15,000. But I think there's a lot more room in this fucking market to make more money short on QQQ right now. So big dump here. Nvidia dumping. Nvidia below yesterday's low right now. NASDAQ dumping. Uh-oh, chat. It's happening. I think it's fucking happening. It's time for another big dump fest. Everybody got so excited for the pump today. Oh my lord, it's dumping. Absolutely dumping right now. Any news? Yeah, the news is that AI is bullshit. Come on, let's go, baby. I told you this was going to be a big bear flag at some point, and it's happening. The bear flag is playing. It's 10 o'clock right now. It's a lot of time in this day. Dude, everything is selling right now. We got the overnight low down there, 29,336 area, so waiting to see you get another bear flag here forming. What a move, though. If you took that short earlier, oh my god. Why can I not, like... This should have been a fucking... That should have been a 500-point banger right there, chat. 500-point banger. Shorting 843 this morning. Should have been a 500 fucking point banger. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Let's see what happens here now. Trying to get a little bit of a pushback up for a better short entry. Want a better short entry here, but it's bear flagging again. We're up $10,000 in our Lucid accounts. We got some Tradeify accounts to trade right now as well. Funded Tradeify accounts. Wow, this thing is bleeding right now. I'm trying another short here. Short in the bottom. YOLO. Instant rejection. Right back up here. Dump it. Dump it, daddy. Dump it. Need to lose this 70 area. We should go to the downside there. Ugh. Stay below 400 maybe. Not good. Not good here. Probably gonna get stopped. Yep. That was just a chase there. I still think it's a good short setup here. Just gotta wait for more pop. Straight back up. All right, I'm gonna try to short this pop. God damn it. Still short. Everything's ripping back up now. Classic. Yeah, we're fucked. God damn it. Damn. Everything's fucking retarded. That was retarded. Everything's retarded. I'm being retarded. How did the fuck did it? God damn. Good thing I locked myself out of those funded accounts. Good thing. So stupid. So stupid. Definitely not the chat's fault. That's my fault there. I'll take the credit for that. Why the FOMO? I mean, I don't know. Such is life, my friends. Such is life. All right, NQ right back up 500s now, 29,500. I got excited, man. I thought we were gonna just keep going, but everything bounced right there. I still think there's a good short setup coming. We just got to be patient and get the right entry here. Well, you can see 500 rejected now, so. If this candle breaks 500, we'll try to jump in on this pushback up, maybe to the 550s, depending. The fact that we're back above this EMA and now we're like bull flagging here. Try a quick long to push back up towards 550s. God damn. Nope. Getting my ass clapped. Straight back down again. All right, that didn't work, clearly. Straight back down again. See if we can get this to move back down now. Gonna get clapped both ways here, getting chopped up. Hey, like I said, sometimes good, sometimes bad, okay? I can't always be perfect. I want to see a new low here. I need some redemption. I need some redemption. Can we make a new low here? Ugh. New low, baby. We need new lows. Motherfuckers. What the fuck? You gotta love it. Oh God, my life. My life, man. My fucking life sometimes. What a scam. What a fucking scam. Yo, PW, you really need to study. Hey, Silent Edge Trader. You need to study my dick in your mouth. God. I need to... Motherfucker. Literally said, I need to study. I'm the millionaire, you idiot. What you go study. God. Patrick, you need to study. Oh, God. The fuck is this guy talking about? I need to go study. What the fuck are you talking about? Patrick, you gotta study. Your shitty attitude, you're not gonna be very successful. I'm not gonna be very successful. Is that what you just said? I have a $200,000 watch on my wrist, right? It's $200,000. If I'm not successful, then I don't know what's fucking successful. You know, I don't know what fucking is successful. If I'm not successful, then I don't fucking know. You know, I have no clue what it is. Guy just said I'm not gonna be successful. What the fuck? Insane. I still think it's a short setup here, but we're just like chopping down here at these lows right now. You can have all the money in the world, but if you don't have peace of mind, you're not successful. All right. I got no peace. What in the fuck? Who are you motherfucking faggots? Yeah, Patrick, you can have all the money in the world, but if you don't have peace of mind, the fuck? I wake up every morning, fucking lots of peace of mind. Silent Edge Trader, bro, again, there's nothing that you can teach me. Trust me. There's nothing that that can come out of your fucking dick sucker that is going to teach me anything. Nothing. Grown man getting offended by people he doesn't know. I'm so offended right now. I'm actually going to quit being a millionaire. I'm going to quit it. Motherfucker. This thing's going to chop. He's going to chop back up. Oh, fucking A. Where was everybody at earlier when I had 6 trades, winning trades? Where was everybody at earlier? Now it's all just everybody. You suck. Everybody just like, oh, we forgot about those trades. We only see these ones now. All right, NASDAQ pushing back up here again, 480s. I don't know. Maybe long, maybe short, maybe wrong. Just chopping. If we break 420, I'm trying short here again. Or just chop. God damn it. Ugh. Just right back up. We got Doji there. Doji. Just a bunch of dojis. God damn. What are you in there just fucking shitting your brains out? God. Fucking smell your shit out. God fucking damn it. Sit here live streaming, fucking calling pooping. Right next to the fucking where I'm streaming at. God damn it. How can I fucking make money? I gotta fucking this guy here moaning and fucking pooping in the morning. God. It's 7:40 in the morning. Get this guy off the toilet, dude. Oh, God. This is going to be a good short. I mean, it's going to be a fucking good short at some fucking point here. Like, I don't know. I mean, come on. Like, you're telling me this is not gonna be a fucking good short here? Are you telling me it's not gonna be a fucking good short? Look at this thing setting up here. Just look at it. Fucking big old nasty bear flag here. All right, we're fucking gonna hammer it. I don't even care anymore. Win or lose, at least I show you the trades, okay? Okay, people. If we break through 400, I'm gonna add as well. It's either gonna work or it's not. There's only two options here. It's either work it or not working. All right, it's either working or it's not working. That's all I can say. All right, there's nothing more to say. Nothing more to say here. Close. You got a fan in there? God, close the door. I don't want to fucking smell your shit. God. This is what we fucking wanted. The fuck. All right, there's a pivot point down here, 340s. If we lose this pivot point, we should go even lower. We got the overnight low down there, 300s. I'm gonna be targeting 300 level. I want 100 points here. 100 points or fucking nothing else. You pussy ass bitches in the chat. I mean, moral of the story is fucking bullshit. You know? I don't fucking know. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. So there you go. From the 416s down there to 303, that's 100 points. So D-Money's live at 12 o'clock. D-Money's, where's the guy that told me I need to study? Where's the guy that said I gotta start studying? Where'd he go? Patrick, you gotta study. What about this motherfucker? SQQ, baby, we're pretty. This is a real money account, by the way. None of it ain't no bullshit. That's real money, money printing. I'll just hold that here for the rest of the stream. But Patrick, you gotta study. You gotta study, Patrick. You know what I gotta do? I gotta do nothing. I can dump this shit. Let's go, boys. All the way back to Friday's low. It's coming. It's gonna happen. It's the perfect fucking setup. QQQ right now getting murdered. This is what I want to see. I want to see down here. Give me this shit down here, baby. 700 on QQQ. All right. By the way, it's still going lower. 220s now. That's short from the 416. That's 200 points. That's 200 points for everybody. 200 points. But Patrick, it's going to go back up to 600. Patrick, it's going to go back up to 600. Patrick, it's going to go back. Shut the fuck up. God. We knew it was a short. We fucking knew it was a goddamn short. See, this is one of those setups where if I would have traded with like micros, you know, and just like had a larger stop, we would have been fine. But clearly my ego can't handle that. Clearly my ego can't handle that. Dude, are you, like, the crazy part is, let's not forget that we were shorting 843s. That's 700 points now. That's 700 fucking points now, people. Like, are you kidding me? $700 points, still going lower. Good thing we locked out these accounts. We're up $10,000 in our Lucid accounts. We got 5 Lucid Pro accounts, up $10,000 here. And you can see, obviously, the market's still going lower there. I like it. I love it. I want more of it. The fucking 840 short was the short of the day. Whoever shorted 840s, you're a genius. You's a genius. Kier said he's going to get long and he's going to take profit at 29,644. Nah, dog. That ain't going to work. That ain't going to work, sir. That ain't going to work. That is not going to work. Nope. Sorry. I didn't want to tell you, but that is not going to work. That is definitely not going to work. The QQQ is free falling right now. 700 coming up. Down there, 29,100 now, so We lose this 100 level, should go even. I mean, the next pivot point's 930s. I'd be very surprised they don't head to Friday's low, right? Friday's low just seems like a great spot to go to. Might have to push back up here a little bit, but Friday's low just makes sense, I think. Need to build out another bear flag. Look at that bear flag there from the 450s. That's 300 points down there if you got short. Look at the daily chart. Oh, buddy, we know. What's crazy is it all played out exactly like we talked about pre-market, right? This idea of taking out this high, reversing. Crazy move. Crazy move. Crazy move here. Now we just be patient, wait for a little pushback up, and then build on another bear flag. Right? Need to build out another bear flag here. That was such a good fucking 5-minute bear flag there. Shoo! Look at that thing. The rollover was real. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. All right, good time to be patient. We need a little bit of a pushback up here, right? So I'm gonna keep that momentum going to the downside here. The ES dumped. NASDAQ dumped. You got Apple down. You got the QQQ down. Everything down, down, down. See, the problem is there's just not really any reason for the market to just bounce right here, especially with that gap from the from Monday open, right? Because this was the close on Friday, and I just think there's not really a lot of reasons to just stop right there on the Qs. So we'll see. Daily Duke said, "Are you still losing?" Yeah, man, we're still losing. Not making no money here. Never made no money before. My first time. I gotta start studying more. It kind of looks like it just wants to roll some more, huh? Could be aggressive down here, but I don't know. If you get short right here, it's gonna have to be, it's an aggressive move, so. Watching Nvidia down there 205 now. Let this push up a little bit more, build out a better flag. Need to build out a better flag. We got D-Money coming up at 12 o'clock. That's right, the D-Money show. All right, what do we got? We got the hourly candle closing here. Look at that dump, though. Baby Jesus. Baby Jesus. PW, can you talk about how you read that short trade? Yeah, I mean, so going into open, I talked about this idea, right? That we had the previous day high, right there. And thinking that we could basically swipe the previous day high, and then that would set off the reversal. So we got the reversal set up there, and then you can see all the momentum. So we had the overnight low area. So this was overnight low, obviously the high, the overnight low. And you can see here on the 5-minute chart that we basically kind of pulled back there into that area and just kind of chopped, right? Chopped, but it was also, that's a bear flag. Especially like these two candles right here, really looking indecisive. And then that big dump right there. So that was the trade. I think sometimes the best thing to do is wait for these 5-minute bear flags to play out because they're just going to be cleaner, right? So that's kind of the short setup. Bear flags, bull flags. How do you think the market will react to the CPI tomorrow? Hopefully it's going to be bad. I am short the overall market, so this is that nice little pushback up into that EMA there. If we start to sell through 150, I might grab another short, maybe even like right through there now, and then go for the 100 sell. All right, looking for targeting this 100 area through the hundreds now, possibly. Need this momentum to continue. Pop it back up here again. Ugh. Wow. Gotta love that. Right back to 200 again. Alright, I'll stop out there for now. Like, what the fuck? Candle just goes right back up. That's some real gay shit right there. Yes, we're gambling. Thank you. Goes right back up. Right back up again. Ugh. Hourly candle closing right now, going to the 11 o'clock. So I'm gonna try a short right here. Stop is above this candle high. So we took out this little previous candle high already, so maybe this is pullback. Nope. You got to get through that 200 area, obviously. All right, moving my stop down here. I'm gonna try to trail this down if it starts to go. That's about 30 points. Could have taken it, but I'm going break even now. We'll see if we can get some roll. All right, my stop is now 14 points in the money. Got to lose that EMA right there now. Bounced off the EMA for now. I was watching this 5-minute chart, thought that we could get this candle to kind of start going down. Basically, what, 140 area to get through there next. But yeah, just push right back up. You can see that EMA now curling up there, so maybe some more pushback up. It's the 9 EMA there on the 1-minute chart. Now I think basically if we can get, I'd say like below these candles here again, maybe another short setup. I think that Friday low down there just makes sense, right? To get to, possibly. Possibly. We got a flash sale going on right now. Tradeify. You can buy 5 accounts with a bundle. You can buy 5 accounts bundle, and you get a discount as well. Use the code PW. All right, this, I mean, I think this short is setting up here, boys. We're getting below that EMA there now. I'm trying to short here. Not financial advice. Targeting new lows. Kind of same idea as earlier to trail it down some. All right, stop is break even now, or 9 points in the money, or 5 points, whatever it is. Ugh, actually, I'm gonna go right here, 193 for now, just until this next candle makes a new low. Just because it might, yeah, pop like that, which I don't want to just get stopped out. Ugh. They're coming for my stop either way. Right back up again. All right, all right, all right. I still think it's a short. It's just... All right, so we're kind of just doing the same thing we did earlier, right? With this 5-minute chart, we're kind of chopping around, not really, just kind of consolidating here for the next move down, possibly. So we'll have to kind of wait for this 5-minute chart to kind of clean up a little bit better. Liquidity Society said he got moved to Pro Plus on Take Profit Trader. If you lose the accounts, can you have normal pros again? Yeah. Yeah, you can always have you can start over again. Let's go. Some guy in the chat said he locked in $4,500. Love to see it. Love to see it. All right, we've got giveaways coming up. Denny said he wants to do a giveaway right now, but we need more likes. What do we got? We need at least 1,500 likes here before Denny gives the giveaway. And just kind of squeezing back up here again. 250s once again. So 250s. This is that new hourly candle opening up. Seeing if it's going to put in a wick here. Could retest the overnight low, maybe 315 area. Just chopping back up here now. If we pop up to like 350, I would try to get short there to see if we get rejection. Maybe, but what are the chances that it'll go to 29,600? I mean, maybe, maybe not. It's hard to say. Yeah, VWAP up there, 515 area. $365 next if it keeps pushing. Yeah, makes sense. I'm trying to figure out if it's a if I almost got short there at the 300s, but didn't do it. Didn't do it for now. This 5-minute candle just opened. You can see it's kind of, it wicked above this previous candle high, and again it got stuck right below 300. So we'll see what happens with this candle now. If this is going to be another bear flag forming, 5-minute chart, you kind of need to break down from here. We got to get 1,500 likes here on the stream. Let's go, baby. More likes, more money, more fun. Tomorrow morning, I'll be back. I'll be back at the BDH tomorrow. Me and D Money live together. It's been a minute. I don't even know what D Money looks like anymore. It's been so long. Hopefully Jerome didn't fuck up the BDH while I was gone. Hopefully all my Pokemon cards are still there. I gotta hope that my Pokemon cards are not touched. Good thing I got a safe for my Pokemon card. I haven't even looked at my Pokemon cards in a minute. I gotta just look at them and see what I got. I don't even remember what I got. I gotta look at my Pokemon cards. Man, that 300 short was money. Fucking A. Why did I not get I pussied out and didn't get short there. You big ass pussy. Big old pussy, Patrick. You big fucking pussy motherfucker. NQ Trader said not finished yet for long. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. Anything's possible. Anything's possible. You never know. Got to see here. That is a good pushback up, though. I see it now. I'm going to try a quick long here to see if we're going to push back above 300 now. I like that candle just went straight back up there now. Chop, chop in. Maybe good, maybe not. We got that pivot point to the upside here. No bueno. No bueno. No bueno. No puppy, no. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. What am I doing? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I gotta take a break from trading. Fuck. Why did I go long there? I don't know. Oh god, terrible. Sometimes you just do stupid shit, and the best part is I get to do stupid shit live on YouTube, so everybody gets to watch. Yeah, listening to the chat, that was a bad idea. Fuck. Try the short through 200 again. We're probably gonna get cooked, but whatever. Market is bearish, somebody said. Well, somebody else said the market was gonna go up. Which one is it? Bear trap and then rocket to 365. Fuck. I got trapped both ways? God damn it. I got trapped long and short. Every fucking direction I got trapped here. What happens if you get trapped both on a... What happens if you go bullish and bearish and you get trapped both ways? Is that like the ultimate trap? Double trapped? Like what is that? How do, you know, what's the rules on that? Like how does that look? You get triple trapped. Trapped from every direction. That's the beaver trap. Carlos said, "Bro, I'm a new trader and I cannot give you any advice, but I think you trade very impulsively." I mean, oh yeah, I don't know what to tell you. You're not wrong. Yeah, you're not wrong. I should just quit trading. You're not wrong. The chat is fading you. I mean, yeah, that's cool. The market is random, so PW randomly gets long and short. Don't tell people my secret, please. I'll sell you. Hey, I'll sell you my my course on how to trade randomly. What you do is you go long, but then if that doesn't work out, you go short. And if that doesn't work out, you go long again. So it's basically just every time you lose, you just do the opposite of what you did before, and then sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So you know. PW, is Ginger a real person or is that your alter ego? Yes, my alter ego is I'm a 40-year-old woman. I'm a 37-year-old woman named Ginger. That's my alter ego. At night I pretend to be a woman. D-Money is a good trader. I mean, yeah, okay. Okay. All good. Yeah, oh yeah, no. I'm a terrible trader and D-Money's better than me. That's why he works for me. You know, makes it all just, the logic is so, it just makes so much logical sense, you know? You're like, yeah, D-Money's so much better than you, Patrick. And I'm like, yeah. That's why I work for D Money. True that. The logic be logicking. All right, little pushback up here. 5-minute chart, that's fine. We had a nice little push down. We just need to see if we can get momentum here through this, through these lows here. We keep bouncing 150, 160 area. We get through that, we should go downtown like Charlie Brown. Get going there. I mean, I think the one thing that you have to remember is I show every trade. I show the entry, I show the exit. You know, I show every single trade that I take. So, you know, people, they say that D Money is more patient, but, you know, I don't know. I'm just, you know, I show every single trade, the entry and the exit. So. That's all. I don't show winning trades. I show every trade. So. NQ Trader, I thought you said it was a bear trap. What happened? It's 100 points. It's a bear flag playing out. I'm looking for, I want to see if we can get down there 29,000. I'm going to be greedy and go for 29,000 here. Just to see if it's possible. Can I get a 200 point trade live here? There's a new low now, new low being made. There's really no reason to stop here, so staying in it. I think 980 is more logical than anything else. Is this good or bad, chat? What do you think? Should I go study another day trader, learn how to day trade? Who's better than PW? Who? Who's better than PW? Who? 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 Fucking idiots. Denny, put the giveaways on the page. Do the giveaways, Denny. Who? 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 It's still going lower, by the way. Still going lower. It's still going lower, by the way. Like I said, no reason to stop. There was no reason for it to stop there. Here's just, for transparency, I like to be transparent here. I showed you guys the position yesterday. Right? Wherever the fuck it is. That's we're up $30,000 in my actual brokerage account today, shorting SQQ, just letting you see. That's real money. That's not bullshit. So if you guys were watching the stream yesterday, you saw us making money. It's still going. Loved it. Like I said, no reason for the QQQ to stop. You had that big gap there from Friday's close. Let's go, baby. QQQ still going. NASDAQ still going, by the way. That bear flag played out. So beautiful. 850s now. We're up 30,000 now. But Patrick, you should learn how to day trade. Okay. This is all real. You can see my entries here. I started buying SQQ. $37, right? $37 on the 2nd of June. If you look right now, the price of SQQ is $43. So, I mean, not bad, not bad. I do want to point out something very, very, very beautiful here, right? We talked about this morning. Well, we talked about it yesterday too. If you go back and watch the stream, this was a big bear flag, right? That's all this is. You had a big move down there on Friday, consolidation, and then the dump. Big bear flag. That's all that shit is. And the best part is it did exactly what we talked about. Remember what we talked about this morning, pre-market? Anybody remember? If you remember this morning, what did we talk about? Anybody here this morning? What's crazy is look at that. We shorted 29,840 area. That is almost 1,000 points to the downside there. I locked out these Lucid accounts because we're up $10,000 in the Lucid funded accounts. So gotta love it, man. Crazy move. Crazy fucking move here. SQQ still pumping. Should I take some profit on SQQ or hold? What do you think, chat? What do you think? I think we gotta keep holding. Gotta keep holding, baby. This thing's gonna go. I think the way I look at this now, I think NASDAQ's the next area really is fucking like 28,000. Really, right? You know, like pull the daily chart on the NASDAQ here. Fucking even honestly more. I think there's more pain. More pain. I think fucking 27,000. Right? 27,000 is the pain. Is that just me, right? Like, I feel like that's... Maybe I'm just overly bearish, but... If we look here on the QQQ, let's look at the QQQ, right? You can see all the gaps. So we filled the gap there from Sunday, right? So that gap has been filled. Let's find the next big gap here. I think there's some big gaps down here. Gotta get rid of the EMA and stuff. All right. Next big gap is this area here. It's not even that nice, to be honest. The other gap, there's a gap right here, 690 area, 695 area. So I think realistically, these two gaps would be targets, like 694 area, and then if we go lower, 672s. Right? What do you think? Is that logical thinking? I think that's logical. Kind of makes sense. $673, $695 down there. That's what I think. That's what I think. But what a banger. Fucking banger of a trade there. I took it off there at 29,000. It went all the way to 28,850. Gotta love that. The gap today was filled. What a time to be alive. Market making moves. We got big moves in the market. We got Apex with 2 days left, 90% off. You can buy 5 accounts at one time. 5 accounts one time. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, man. Let's go. PB Gabe. He's still short. Gotta love it. Goddamn PB Gabe over here. He's Short from 29,300 up $9,000 on one contract. You motherfucker. You motherfucker. You crazy motherfucker, Gabe. Did we do the giveaways yet? Up top are the giveaways. Sorry. Those are the names for the giveaways. Olaf Jeffrey Gonzalez. Wait. Did Colin sign up with Jeffrey? Harvey. What's your brother's last name? Or first name? Colin. What's your brother's name? Yeah. What? Not Jeffrey? You don't know any Jeffreys? Jeffrey Gonzalez won the live stream account today, so maybe your brother has an alias. Maybe he's Jeffrey on the internet. Jeffrey. I never met anybody fucking with I never met a Gonzalez, Jeffrey Gonzalez. You know any Jeffrey Gonzalez's? No. Harvey Miller, Robert XYXZY. Who the fuck? Look, we got Flip Radiskiwa, Tom Sweeney, Charnut. What the fuck's a Charnut? Oh man, we got Charnut in the house. Mr. Charnut, are you in? Are you in the room, Mr. Charnut? Mr. Charnut. Come on, fucking QQQ, bleed, baby, bleed. Man, what's crazy is, dude, what a move. Like, how do I want to get to the point in my life where I can get short, you know, up there and then just fucking hold for 1,000 pointer. 1,000 pointer. Charnut's a Pokemon name? Damn it. Dude, look at this. This stock right here, INHD. It's up 3,000% because it just announced a $3 million AI deal. Yep. Guys, it's a bubble. It's a bubble, guys. It's a fucking... Look at this chart. It's a bubble. Guys, it's a bubble. I don't think they even... It's not even trading. It's halted. God. Look at Pab's chart. God. From $2 up to $16.97. This AI bullshit, it's all just bullshit, man. .com bubble. .com bubble, come on. Patrick, I wanted to say fuck you and I love you. Okay. The trade you took at 916 almost blew my funded account and I had to make $1,800 just to get back to 200. I mean, I don't know if I say thank you or if I don't know what to say. I mean, you got to remember, guys, there's no trader out there that is going to win every single trade 100%, right? Like, it's just like, it's not possible. So there's going to be losing trades. Sometimes I have big winning trades. Sometimes I have losing trades. It's just, you know, part of it. To be honest, it's just. It's it. Sometimes I lose 5 in a row. Sometimes I win 5 in a row. Sometimes you know, it's just. Bro, wait, what? Wait a second. What the fuck is D-Money doing? Look at this picture D-Money sent me. Why is this? Has he been working out? Is D-Money working out? Why does he look so? Is that just is that way he looks in selfies? D-Money's trying to steal my Rolls Royce. D-Money's trying to steal my Rolls Royce, chat. Look at him. What the fuck is D-Money doing? Hey, get your fucking G-Wagon away from my Rolls Royce. Get your G-Wagon away from my Rolls Royce, motherfucker. This guy. Get away from my Rolls Royce. Get away from my Rolls Royce. God. Look how crazy this is. So the Knicks, the basketball, they were selling courtside seats for $1 million for 2 seats for $1 million. I don't know. I don't know if I'm paying $500,000 to go watch gay basketball. You know what I mean? I don't know, man. What else is going on here in the world? This guy right here, we got Steve Eisman. Steve Eisman, let's see what he has to say.
Explain. Joining us right now to talk all things markets is Steve Eisman. He is the host of the Real Eisman Playbook podcast. And Steve, thanks for being here this morning.
Thank you.
Why don't we talk first about the SpaceX IPO? We're anticipating it's
They
going
need to put
be
me on
here
there
later this
Dude, what's
week.
up with her
Sure,
hair?
it'll
Oh
come
my
Friday.
God. Why is it just
I'm not a
looking
fan.
wild?
Why? Explain.
Let's see. You know, if you read the prospectus, I mean, there's some amusing stuff in the prospectus. Like, my favorite part of the prospectus is that one of the things that SpaceX wants to do is asteroid mining. I thought that was kind of funny. It's there's some asteroid mining going on in this sci-fi show on Apple called For All Mankind. It's a central theme,
Yeah.
but I think the probability of asteroid mining happening anytime soon is pretty low. But I think what is probably most important in the prospectus is how capital intensive SpaceX has become. So if you go back to fiscal year 2023 and you compare revenue to CapEx was only 42% of revenue. Mm-hmm. And in the most recent first quarter, it was 215% of revenue. And that's because back in fiscal year 2023, SpaceX was not in AI. Mm-hmm. It was just in Starlink and
So it's not even space that's so hard. It's the AI.
It's the AI that is incredibly capital intensive. And Grok, with all due respect to Elon Musk, is not a world-class AI company.
Ooh. Facts. The problem now is everyone just puts AI, you know, it's all like, instead of actually creating value, it's just like, oh, we're AI. You know, we're AI. We have AI. It's AI. I'm like, well, you still got to make money, you know? So, someone said this guy's full of shit. I mean, is he though? I don't know if I wouldn't say he's full of shit. I think he makes a good point. SpaceX is fucking trying to sell us all on, we're going to have this massive AI data center in space. We're going to have AI data centers in space now. So, I mean, it's... I get it. People say, I mean, I'm not saying that. The whole Tesla thing, people were like, well, everybody thought Tesla would go to zero, but I don't know. This SpaceX thing just seems pretty insane. I don't know. The problem is it's all a fucking scam. It's all a scam. We got PAVS. It's up 2,000% right now. Look at this chart. 2,000% PAVS. Nothing to see here. The stock was trading around $1 yesterday. Yesterday, this thing looks like a fucking penny stock meme coin. Yesterday, oh wait, actually on Friday last week, it was trading for 87 cents. Right? 87 cents, and now it's trading for $22. So pretty funny. Pretty funny. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. It's PAVS. PAVS. Ugh. We got D-Money coming up at 12 o'clock. D-Money coming up 12 o'clock. For the D-Money show, you guys keep asking, where's D-Money? Well, you're gonna get him. You're gonna get D-Money. Someone said SpaceX will dump, but at some point it'll be a good buy, just like everything else. Yeah, I mean, maybe. Too much speculation. If they can build data centers in space and make them profitable, that is pure worth. Guys, can somebody answer me one question? Can somebody answer me one question? Right? Can somebody answer me one question here? What do we need data centers for? You know what I mean? Like, what do we need? What are the data centers for? I don't like, where, like, what is all this data? What is it for? I don't understand. Like, what do we do with the data centers? I mean, I know what they're building them for the AI, but I'm just trying to figure out, like, what do I need what do we need data centers? Like, as the human race living on this planet, what do we need data centers for? You know? We need food. We need housing. We need, that's all we really need, I guess. We need food and housing. And we're going to, the world is going to spend all of the money that in existence on fucking data centers and AI. I don't know, man. I just don't know. I'm just trying to figure out what is the end goal? You know? What is the end goal? What are we doing here? We're spending all of our resources on making more data centers? I mean, we got people starving in America. We got fucking an immigration fucking epidemic. You know, we got all this shit going on, and everybody's like, we need more data. If we could figure out, guys, look. If we had more data, we could figure out what our problem is. I don't get it. The only people that are making money off this data center shit are they're the fucking, oh my God, look at Pavs again going up. Pavs up to 24 now. I'm not touching this fucker. Oh my Lord. Look at this chart. Chee. What a time to be alive. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go lower, baby. Let's go lower. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Come on, SQQ. Pump it. You got to pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. That's the way I look at it. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. I need this fucking market to burn, boys. I want to make $1 million on this short. I want to make $1 million. Bump this motherfucker. Don't you know? Pump it up. Yeah, we can fucking retrace this whole move here. Get SQQ back up here. That's 100% gainer. That's still not enough to make $1 million. Fuck. Maybe 100%. Nope, still not enough. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Guys, I'm so fucking excited. I'm so pumped right now. It's happening. The big short is happening. It's happening. The big short. The big fucking short, boys. Woo-wee! All right, I need full transparency. I'm going to show you guys my position before the show's over, and then I'll show you tomorrow. Right now, we're sitting at about 28,000 profit on this short on QQQ. But I think we can do more. I think we can do more, chat. I think we can go higher. Well, the market can go lower. We can go higher on the short. So I'm just going to ride that short. I think we got CPI tomorrow morning. We got FOMC coming up this month. So I think there's a lot of stuff going on, a lot of catalyst to go lower. So I don't know. That's the way I'm looking at it. So we got about 7 minutes here till the D-Money show starts up. If you guys have not already checked out the D-Money show, you're missing out. That guy, I heard that guy D-Money's pretty good. At least the chat, The chat keeps saying how good he is. I'm just chopped liver. I just dropped 200 points live on YouTube and nobody gives a fuck. God. If D-Money got 200 points live, he'd have like 10,000 likes. If I get 200 points live, nobody even says anything. Nobody even cares. Look at this short. Look at this short. Shorted at the 220s, at the 208s, covered down there. That's a 200-pointer. And it kept on going, my friends. It kept on going. You could have got 400 points right there. I'm just saying. That was a 400-point short. 400 points short. You know what I mean? 400%. 400%. 400%. I'm just saying. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it. Oh, that song, man, just gets me fired up. Don't you know? Woo! Dump, motherfucking dump. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Hey, on a serious note, I do want to thank everybody for the support, for all the real ones. I know that I get a little excited sometimes. I say some mean things, but it's all, it's all part of the show. it's all part of the show, and hopefully you guys enjoy it, because, well, there's a lot of people out there streaming these days, and if you guys choose to watch the BDH shows, if you choose to watch me, I appreciate you guys. So big thank you guys for tuning in daily. I see the same names in here. I see the support. I see the comments. I do appreciate it. I do love you guys. It's a lot of fun. We love nothing better. I mean, people think that like I don't want to win. You know what I mean? People like think that, but like there's nothing that I like. If you know me personally, if anybody in the chat has ever like actually met me in real life, they know that like there is nothing that I want more than to win, right? Like it's like sometimes it's my worst trait, but also my best trait, right? Because like sometimes I get really stubborn, I keep holding a trade or whatever it is because I want to be right so bad, and that's my worst habit, right? But I show you guys the entries, I show you the exits, I'm showing every single trade, the winner, the loser. It's part of it. Trading is not simple. It is simple, but it's not easy. Because you can be right, over and over, but if you don't have the right entry, if you don't have the right game plan, that happens. So again, I want to say to people that like, hey, I apologize. I get it. Sometimes I get crazy. I say wild stuff. Hopefully, you guys can kind of filter through some of the craziness. Filter through it just so you can see that there is a lot of value here. If you stick around long enough, I think you can kind of see that there's a ton of value on this channel, and we try to keep it real with you guys. So as you can see right now, NASDAQ making new lows. Look at that, another bear flag, absolutely printing. Congratulations if you're still short. We got short this morning on these highs. We talked about it. We had a game plan before the market opened, guys. We had an absolute game plan here of saying like, hey, these shorts are going to come in real nice if this sets up, right? And that's exactly what it did. Like we talked about yesterday, you can go back, watch the stream. Yesterday, I said, hey, get ready because we're going downtown, right? I mean, it's not, this is not in hindsight. I'm not telling you guys, it may, it's all there. So hopefully you guys can kind of see the value there, and you enjoy the stream. So big thank you for all the support. I see all the people in here all the time. Michelle, she's always in here. We got Tony, we got Kells, we got the whole crew. I see the same names all the time, and I do appreciate it. I do appreciate you guys for all the support. I know that I'm not always the easiest to deal with, but I do love you. I do want you, and yeah, that's it. That's all I got. We're done. We out of here, baby. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning live at the BDH. We doing it back on the East Coast, baby. Peace. See you when I see you. Later, later, later.
to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up, 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 up.